Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. My name is Pam, if you haven't been here before, and V is behind the camera today.
Hey!
And today we are making pizza fries, and
Yum.
This is just a quick dish that I make at home. I make my own pizza anyway, but right now, losing weight, I'm trying to stay away from that crust, because it's, first of all, pizza is not 50-50 no matter how much veg you put on it, you know, to compensate for that crust. But we're also not doing the processed wheat and stuff that goes into a pizza crust. And so I just decided I'm gonna throw pizza toppings on top of French fries and have my own pizza that way, because who wants to be the one that's left out? You know, when everybody else is having pizza, you don't want to be the one that's left out. So the first thing I have here is the potatoes. These are pre-cooked, pre-boiled potatoes, and I'm just going to add like a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and I'm going to give these a good mix. And then I am going to pop these in the air fryer at about 390, 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. About halfway through, I'm going to shake them up. But if you do not have an air fryer, you can just lay these out on a baking sheet with a silicone mat, and you put them in the oven at about the same temperature, 390 to 400 degrees, 10 minutes, shake them up a little bit. Make sure they're laying in a single layer, and then 10 minutes more and they should be good. They'll be nice and golden brown.
Now, if you don't have a silicone mat, then?
You can use parchment paper. That works well. Yeah. Or if you have a non-stick baking sheet. I mean, I don't at my house. I use the silicone mats, but a non-stick baking sheet would work as well too. Okay. You want something down there. Otherwise, your crustiness that comes, you know, the nice golden brown layer on the top of the fries is going to stick. So you do need something there that's not oil. All right, so I'm going to pop these in the fries, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, the potatoes are in the air fryer now, so the second thing I'm going to do is get the sauce warming up. And I do not have any sauce that was oil-free, so I have my Trader Joe's spaghetti sauce right now, and I'm just going to season this up and use this as my pizza sauce. And I'm just doing it for two. I don't want to splash everything here, so I'm just going to add a little sauce here. And then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Let me get my spoon here. What I want is a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning. There's one, and oh, I have just enough. 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, but I'm also going to add some extra oregano, because pizza sauce has that oregano flavor, that hard oregano flavor to it. So I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of oregano to that. And then I'm just going to add about a half a teaspoon of pepper and a half a teaspoon of salt to it. And I am going to stir this up. And I'm going to put this on the stove on low just so it can be warming up while I'm getting the veggies ready. So we will be back in just a second. Okay, so the potatoes are going in the air fryer. I have the pizza sauce warming up on the back of the stove. And now we're going to get the veggies for the top. And I will say, these are the veggies that I'm using. You should put on your pizza whatever you like on your pizza. If you want pineapple on your pizza, put pineapple on your potatoes, your pizza potatoes as well. But I have a zucchini that I've chopped up small, and I have a yellow bell pepper in here, and I've got one medium-sized onion. This is actually 2 real small onions, but this is what I like on my pizza, so that's what I'm cooking. And I've got a hot pan. And you do not want to add much liquid to this. So I'm going to see how it goes. I have some water here in case I need to add a little bit of water to the bottom, but I'm going to do that just a tablespoon at a time, because I don't want a lot of liquid on my pizza fries. Okay. So let me stir these up, and I'm going to add some seasonings, and I'm going to put a lid on it and just let them saute up for a couple of minutes. And see, there's plenty of liquid coming out of the zucchini and everything, so I don't think I need everything. Ooh, I can smell it now. You can smell the pepper and the onions. So I am going to add, this is the oregano. I'm going to add just a teaspoon of oregano, and I'm going to add another teaspoon of Italian seasoning here. And I'm just going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, and that'll help the water come out of the veggies as well. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Going to give it another stir and see how it's going. The bell
When it's
pepper's
good.
trying to run away. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll come back and see how it looks. I don't want it to be really soft. I want a little bit of crunch in there. And so we will be back. All right, so everything is finally done and we're gonna bring it all together now. I've got my cooked veggies here. See, let me set this down. Not a lot of liquid in there. Just enough to get the little bit of brown off the bottom, and everything is cooked and ready with the seasonings. I've got my sauce over here that was cooking just warming up on the stove. Really, it doesn't need to cook, but it was warming up on the stove. And if anybody has a good pizza sauce that they really love, that's flavorful, that does not have any oil or like wheat in it or anything, put a name or something or a link down below in the comment section, because I would love to try out some. And then I have my air fried potatoes right here. So let's go ahead and put some potatoes on our plate without spilling them everywhere. Okay. There we go. And I'm gonna put some of my homemade pizza sauce on top. And you could do this like with tacos too if you wanted to. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Add Mexican seasoning, taco seasoning type of sauce.
So good.
And then we're gonna add our veggies on top of that. And these are my veggies, onion, bell pepper, zucchini. But, I mean, by all means, if you have a veggie you want in there that you would like, add it. Carrots. I don't know, what else do people put on their pizza? Mushrooms?
Yeah,
People
I
use
love mushrooms on mine.
Mushrooms would be good. Olives or something. There. And we're not using cheese, so we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of nooch on here, on the top. If I can get it open. And it's all hot and ready to roll. So V and I are gonna sit down and have our pizza fries and chit chat for a little while. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember to go over on Facebook and check us out. We post everything we eat on Instagram. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below and share our page so that we can bring our recipes to more people, because we've had amazing success with the starch solution, losing weight, and we'd like to share what we know with everybody else. So I hope you all have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye now.